Hi friends, in this lecture we are going to discuss CMOS NOR gate. Already we have discussed CMOS NAND gate in that particular diagram and this diagram. What is the difference? Over here Q1 and Q2 are connected in parallel. In NAND gate it was connected in series, as well as Q3 and Q4 there it was in parallel, now it is in series. Fine, already discussed when the bottom will be in parallel, upper will be in series. So again I will be having Q1 and Q2 as your NMOS, Q3 and Q4 as your PMOS. We know the operation of CMOS inverter. When I will be giving input as 0, PMOS is going to become on, and when I will be getting input as 1, at that time NMOS is going to on. So I will be writing here when a PMOS is going to become on. PMOS is going to become on when it will be getting input as 0, and your NMOS is going to become on when we will be getting input as what? 1. So let us start how it is going to work. Now A and B are inputs, okay, so different conditions 0 0 0 1 and 1 0. So let us start with our basic condition. Both will be what? 0, here also 0 and here also 0. So my A and B both are 0. So when my A and B both will be 0, your NMOS is going to be what? It will be in off condition. Let us see whether it is in off or on condition. Yes, it is in the off condition, Q1 and Q2. Okay, the same 0 and 0 will be move upward, that is to Q3 and Q4. So Q3 and Q4 will be getting 0 0, so obviously it will become on with an operation of NOR gate. When a NOR gate will be having both input as high, at that time its output will be 0. When both the inputs will be 1 and 0, that is any one of the input is low, at that time also it will be low. But when my both the inputs are low, at that time my output will be what? High. So this is my first condition. Second condition will be what I will be doing, I will be taking input as 0 and 1. So 1 will be 0, so one input will be 0 and 1 will be 1. So I will be writing here 0 and 1. So this is my second condition. 0 means what? A is 0, okay, and B is what? 1. So when my A is 0, at that time my NMOS is going to become off. So Q1 will be what? In the off condition. See here. Next is what? Same 0 will be taken where? It will be taken near Q4. So Q4 is what? Now PMOS. So it will be getting 0. So Q4 will become what? On. Fine. Next is what? 1. The 1 is given to what? NMOS. So 1 is where it is given? Over here. At that time your Q2 is going to become on. Let us see, Q2 it is on, right? That condition is verified. Now same it will be given where? It will be given to Q3, but Q3 is your PMOS. Here it will be getting 1, so it will be in which condition? Off condition. So this is my second condition. So my third condition will be in opposite direction. 1 will be, this will be 1 and that will be 0. A will be what? 1 and B will be what? 0, vice versa. See over here 1. So 1, when I will be getting 1, A is equals to 1, at that time Q1 and Q2 are your NMOSes. So your Q2 will become what? 1. It will become on. Fine, because it is getting 1. So let us see, that 1 is given here, so it will become on. Fine. So Q4 will become what? It will become off. Fine. Next is what? That 1 which is given to the B. Okay, it is given to where? Q3 is your PMOS. So Q3 will become what? It will become on. Fine. So last condition. So what is last condition? Both will be what? 1 and 1. So let us see, 1 and 1. Both the conditions are similar. 1 and 1. When both will be 1 and 1, obviously my Q1 and Q2 is going to become on and on, because it will become on when it will be getting input as 1. Obviously 1 and 1 will be gone to Q3 and Q4. Both will become what? Off, and my output will be what? Low. So these are the condition under which your CMOS, NAND gate and NOR gate is going to work. It is very easy. Just you have to remember on and off condition. The only complicated thing is that the diagram comparison between CMOS NAND gate. In CMOS NAND gate, upper will be your parallel MOS devices, and at the bottom you will be having what? That are connected in series. So this is the thing which we have to remember over here. So see the concept properly. So this question is always asked for 4 mark. In the last exam 2019-20, this question was asked for 4 marks. Draw CMOS NAND gate with its truth table. So this is my diagram for NOR gate and truth table. So you can explain. The same is with this particular diagram. See, this is what CMOS NAND gate. Both upper Q3 and Q4 are in parallel, and bottom ones, that is Q2 and Q1, that are connected in series. So this is how a particular CMOS NAND upper are in parallel, CMOS NAR both are in series. See here again, Q1 and Q2, they are in series for NAND. So here it will be in parallel. So this is how a particular CMOS NAND and NOR gate is going to work, and the truth table is same that of your NAND gate. Only the difference is here we have used 4 MOS devices which will be having gate, drain and source terminal. So this is how a particular CMOS NAND gate is going to work. Thank you.